It looks to me like there's lots of good.
Yeah, like if I try that. This is bizarre. I haven't hardened the edge or anything either. It's still soft. So it will dull, but it splits pretty well. And we can just see what happens.
See what comes out of here.
I mean, this is pretty obvious.
Yeah. You can probably see here, this is not good here. So we got to cut that out.
This crack doesn't quite follow the... Okay, the other option is I can just split into the rot.
Yeah, I would split into the rot and then work out of it. So I feel like we have to go with this split.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, the idea with the rocker is you can always get it out. No way around it. I'm gonna have to use a wedge.
Yeah. You can see where somehow we're getting a weird split here, where it's split here
Oh yeah.
and split there, so we're kind of fighting it a little bit.
I mean, I could just keep going. Put the Froe to work a bit more. Keep the straightness going here. Cool. Sort of works.
That was a tough one.
Yeah.
There's some, you can see there's some
Big tear
knot that's going right through the dead center of it, so. Spunky or?
It's not the best. That is rot. AKA firewood.
Okay, this one we're expecting something nice out of it. Okay, let's see what we got. That split looks very straight.
Oh,
Yep. That is very nice.
I think the Froe works. Found a crack that wasn't visible. So. I'll try that one.
Looks nice. Very even grain. So this color here, we got to watch for that. So that probably has to get cut off. And obviously the speckling is not good either, so it has to get cut off there. But other than that, very beautiful piece.
Starting to look a little bit skinny for cello. By the time you chop off the rot, we are down to
Yeah, does look skinny. Looks like we're
too
in
bad though.
viola territory.
Yeah, because it's super straight.
Yeah.
You can wax it as a one piece though.
Yeah.